What is up? I'm getting my hair done right now by Lindsay.
So beautiful.
Girl, wow.
You are.
Hey, Jake and Allie, I love you guys. Today is going to be great. Just remember to love each other, take care of each other, and have a lot of fun.
Jake and Allie, today's the day. Looking forward to it. Love y'all.
Hey guys, congratulations. Love you both. Keep putting God first and conquer the world. You guys got it. Love y'all.
Going very much in the day, Jake. His first date, and I knew his physicality. It reminds me of the hours.
Love you guys so much. I knew you were the one when Jake came home was smiling ear to ear. Oh my god.
Oh god. Damn it.
Hey girl, I just feel so excited for you. I'm so y'all are just great for each other. But I hope you'll have a wonderful night. I hope you have a great night. Have a wonderful time. Love you.
Love you so much. A established marriage and
I love you so much. My dramatic blood.
Hey Allie, I love you so much. Love you. Happy wedding day. Love you.
Look at